Welcome to a day in my life as a Google employee working from London. I start the morning with a truly delightful Central Line commute into the Google St Giles office on Tottenham Court Road. I start with the most important part of any Googler's day, getting breakfast in the cafe, of course. So I grab some water and then go and take a look at the incredible hot English breakfast selection. There's bacon, hash browns, eggs, beans and more. So I grab a medley of different options and a cheeky healthy avocado too. I then destroy all of the health benefits of this avocado by getting myself a croissant, whilst my friend Kulan, who joins me for breakfast, opts for something much healthier. Say hi. After breakfast, we then head upstairs through a super comfy sofa area, check out the lush views, table tennis table and table football setup, and then I grab myself a room for meeting number 1 of the day with my awesome YouTube team. And in this meeting, we're discussing how we're all getting on with plans to grow our clients on YouTube in all of the different markets that we work in and share some of the learnings that we're discovering amongst ourselves. We're discussing how we're all getting on with plans to grow our clients on YouTube in all the different markets that we operate in and share some of the learnings with each other. It's then time for me to get some independent work done, and here I am doing an in-depth creative analysis of a client's new YouTube video when all of a sudden...
Attention please. Fire has been reported in the building. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest exit. Do not attempt to use the lifts, but exit the building immediately.
Fire? Oh my goodness! What's the procedure? Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
The fire alarm test has now concluded. I repeat, the fire alarm test has now concluded. Please respond as directed to all future alarms.
Ooh, that was close.
But all is good. It's only a test and I have some important work to get on with. It's then time to continue my office tour and I found a huge, really cool, transparent Android robot full of Android history. Remember when they did that brand partnership with KitKat? Good times. I also spot a product or two that never made it to the market. Let me know in the comments below if you spotted one too. I then pass through this awesome corridor full of beautiful plants where loads of Googlers keep and nurture and grow their own plants in the office. I then head up to the amazing gym, which has a full range of equipment for whatever kind of workout you want to do, and I even managed to squeeze in a quick workout myself, then grab a shower, and then it's time to grab some free lunch upstairs. Nom. Looks good. I was too nervous to film in the cafe. Too many people. So I'm going to sit and enjoy my first lunch in the office. So, see you in a bit. And yeah, the lunch was good, but I think the best part is actually the view over London from the office, even on a somewhat miserable cloudy day like this. It's then back to work to do some preparation for an exciting virtual YouTube event that I'm hosting in a few weeks, and then it's time to catch up with a good friend of mine, Katya. She's just joined the YouTube partnership and creator team, so I'm super keen to learn a little bit more around how they work with creators and some of the new exciting projects that they are working on. Oh, I'm trying to vlog it though as well. I'm trying to vlog it. do you want to be in the vlog?
I can do.
I'll turn the little camera around and you'll be in the vlog if you want. Alright, hang on, 1, 2, 3. There you go. I don't know if you'll be able to see yourself. But yeah, I'm trying to just vlog it. So it's then back to doing some focused work, and I find this really cool fireplace setup area, which is such a vibe. I then grab a quick break and have a game of table tennis with Kulan, and fresh off my recent table tennis competition victory with Joe in Lisbon, Kulan and I have a pretty competitive game. I then continue my tour of the office, walking past some super cool custom Android statues, a full-size Dalek, which I leave well alone before I get exterminated, and then a jazzy Google sign, this huge tiger swing thing, and also managed to find the famous nap pods in the office too. Nap time. I mean, seriously, what more does an office need? have a quick afternoon nap before rummaging through the endless supply of snacks and drinks just to have a little something in the afternoon to satisfy my hunger to get me through the rest of the day. It's then late in the afternoon and time to go through all of the different emails to clear out my inbox of tasks before the day ends. I then head out of the office to catch a bus and then the train to meet up with some friends in Manchester. What a lovely day in the office. I'm glad I could share it with you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this one here, which is a day in my life at Google working remotely, or this video, which is a summary of the best perks and benefits of working at Google. Have a lovely rest of your day.